So guys, for the first step, once you're on YouTube, next to the URL, you're going to click right here. View site information. Now you're going to click on cookies and site data. Now you're going to select manage on-device site data. Now once this comes up, you just want to delete everything that comes up here. Delete all of this, and then click on done. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to find your network adapter, you're going to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now once you're on this, you're going to select obtain an IP address automatically. And now under it, you're going to select use the following DNS server address. You're going to make the first line 1111, and you're going to make the second line 1001, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, make sure that you have no VPN or proxy server enabled. If you do, then you want to disable it. For the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Click on enter. Now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.